Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the problem and contacting care. You must check for yellowing of skin or eyes and log the baby's exact age and hours, feeding times, wet diapers, and stools. This data speeds diagnosis. Once done, call the pediatrician or go to urgent care if jaundice shows in the first day or the baby is unusually sleepy. Make sure to describe feeding frequency and weight trends so clinicians can prioritize tests like bilirubin levels and decide next steps. While waiting on medical advice, increase effective feeding to help the liver clear bilirubin, aim for frequent breastfeeding or expressed milk every 2 to 3 hours. You should monitor wet diapers and stool color. Decreased output means you must escalate care. Once feeding is optimized, keep the infant warm and avoid direct sun, but if your clinician approves, short periods of indirect daylight can modestly help. Make sure to record changes and relay them to the clinician for triage or treatment planning. When tests confirm elevated bilirubin, you'll follow the clinician's treatment plan. Phototherapy lights in hospital or at-home devices, and rarely exchange transfusion for very high levels. You need to continue frequent feeds during therapy because hydration and stooling lower bilirubin. Make sure to check temperature and diaper output regularly. If levels do not fall or the baby becomes more jaundiced, lethargic, or hard to wake, return immediately to emergency care. Quick escalation prevents complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.